RC-3 pulled the unenergized power cable slowly across Kestrel Ridge. Its giant rear wheel carried the load, while mechanical rollers and tension checks protected the cable on every difficult curve. When physical markers revealed slow movement beneath the service route, the team stopped the pull and released the cable tension in stages. A controlled shutdown protected the cable, the machine, and the future recovery work. "22 years later, RC-3 was found exactly where it had been secured. Before touching any component, the team recorded the corrosion, cracked tires, damaged glass, and original supports to plan a controlled recovery. Because the original tires could no longer carry a rolling load, 3 segmented steel rings supported them during recovery. 2 trucks shared the forward pull, while a third controlled the descent from behind. Before washing, every intake, connector, and bearing opening was protected. Controlled fan pattern water removed mountain soil and loose corrosion, while the contained floor captured the runoff and revealed the vehicle's true condition. The sealed intake had protected the engine for 22 years. After cleaning the air system, replacing the old oil, and restoring lubrication by hand, the original engine returned to a stable, low idle. The cabin was cleaned in careful layers, from the floor seams to the original controls. Isolating the electrical supply allowed the team to clean each connection and verify both lighting circuits without powering the damaged headlights. The cracked laminated glass was supported before removal, so each panel stayed contained. New flexible seals and physical alignment checks allowed both windshields to fit the original cabin without changing its structure. Recyclable mineral media was matched to each metal thickness. Strong frame sections received moderate pressure, while thin panels were cleaned gently. The original headlight reflectors were polished and preserved instead of replacing the complete assemblies. A protected seam revealed RC3's original three-color talent. Corrosion-resistant primer sealed the prepared steel, while thin, controlled color coats preserved the vehicle's seams, repair history, and authentic engineering character. RC3 now preserves more than a restored machine. Its three-wheel load system, elevated cabin, and mechanical cable control teach visitors how engineers once moved power lines through difficult mountain terrain.